Hi, my name is Lisa Blackerby, and I'm going to be recording a video on fourth programming, I guess you could say. I'm using Python. All right. So first, I just want to talk a little bit about what I think fourth is. My knowledge is pretty limited, but I'm going to give an interpretation of what I think fourth is. All right. So fourth is not really a programming language. It's more of a method for creating like definitions for different operations, I guess. All right, so in fourth, words and numbers are the only things that are recognized, and they're divided by spaces. And so what we have to do is when we're taking in a postfix expression is we have to kind of interpret that expression in a way that the I guess the compiler can, take all the information and kind of spit out the correct answer. All right, so in postfix expressions, we don't have to worry about it parentheses, so it makes it a lot easier. So one of the things that we have to do is when we're saying 5 plus 3, we have that plus symbol there, and actually you would say 5, 3 plus. It sees that symbol plus, and it knows that it's going to be adding because I've got in the dictionary that the plus symbol is add. And so then now I have to also define a function in my, I guess, fourth interpreter. So up here at the top, you see that DEF is the start symbol for, defining a function that says I'm defining a function, I'm calling it add, and then the colon says I'm beginning the function. So then what I'm doing is I'm popping the top two things off the stack, and then I'm adding them together. That's add. Okay, so I have all of these different functions defined in my program, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. We got some great equality things going on. Greater than, less than, swap, duplicate. So the very last one is exit. It's telling the system that we're leaving and saying goodbye. All right, so fourth is pretty interesting to me, and I'm probably going to do a lot more information over the summer as far as learning more. So hopefully this video will kind of, pique your interest a little bit. And so if you're interested in a different way of doing math other than the normal traditional expressions with parentheses and stuff, this might make you want to do that as well. All right, so I'm using my shell to run the fourth interpreter. So I'm going to go ahead and run that. Okay, so at the very top of it, here, I'll show you this. My welcome in the main said, okay, we're in fourth interpreter, postfix notation only, and if you want to leave, type in the word exit. Okay, so right now I'm going to type in a postfix expression, and we're going to see how this calculates. All right, so let's start with this one. So we're going to go 5, 3, plus, that means we're adding those together. And let's do 6, 10, and let's multiply those together. Then we're going to multiply again, and then this period here tells us calculate. All right, so that is 480. What did that do? Okay, so it says add 5 to the stack, add 3. Now we got this add. So we're going to add 5 and 3, that's 8. Okay, so now we have 8. Now we're going to pop 6 on the stack. So we have 8 and 6. Then we have 8, 6, and 10. Okay, now the top two numbers are 6 and 10. Multiply that. Okay, so it's 60. Now we have 8, 60 on the stack. And now we have multiply those. And 8 times 60 should be 480. Okay, so that's it for the fourth interpreter. So using all the things I've done here, I could do many more operations. And so fourth is really nice because it's very simple to add to your dictionary. So you can have a huge dictionary of different symbols and different words. So if I type in drop, it knows that it means drop. So I can really call it anything as long as it's in my dictionary. So, all right, so thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of my interpreter to show that it works. All right, and it says goodbye. All right, and goodbye to you as well.